A day in the life. C2-Level daily routine conversation. This is a natural and engaging conversation between two friends, Alex and Maya, who catch up and talk about their daily routines. Through their dialogue, you'll explore a wide variety of daily actions, habits, and time management vocabulary, from morning rituals and work tasks to evening relaxation and productivity hacks. Perfect for advanced learners looking to master fluent, native-sounding English used in everyday life.
Hey Maya, long time no chat. How's life treating you these days? Still juggling 10 things at once?
Hey Alex, you know me. I don't function unless my calendar looks like a game of Tetris. My mornings are a whirlwind. I wake up at 6, groggily peel myself out of bed, and then jump straight into my yoga routine. It helps me shake off the mental fog.
Impressive. I've tried incorporating yoga, but I end up scrolling aimlessly through my phone instead. My mornings are more chaotic. I snooze my alarm at least twice before I finally drag myself to the kitchen to brew coffee. Without caffeine, I can't even articulate a full sentence.
Totally relatable. After yoga, I usually hop in the shower, do a quick skincare routine, cleanse, tone, moisturize, the whole shebang, and then fix a healthy breakfast. Lately, I've been into overnight oats with chia seeds and almond butter. What about you? Do you cook or just wing it?
I'm more of a toast and go type, unless I miraculously wake up early. After breakfast, I sift through my emails, flag the urgent ones, and make a to-do list for the day. Then I dive into work meetings or client calls, which usually stretch on forever.
Same here. I spend half the morning on Zoom, troubleshooting tech issues and deciphering what people actually mean in their vague emails. After that, I try to carve out an hour for deep work. No distractions, no notifications, just full-on focus.
That's smart. I usually hit a slump around midday, so I step out for a brisk walk to reset. Fresh air really does wonders. Sometimes I run errands while I'm out, grab groceries, drop off dry cleaning, the usual adulting stuff.
Exactly. I try to squeeze in household chores in the afternoon. Load the dishwasher, do a bit of vacuuming, maybe water the plants if I remember. If I procrastinate too long, the place starts resembling a war zone.
Same. I keep meaning to declutter my workspace, but the mess mysteriously regenerates overnight. Oh, do you still journal in the evenings?
I do. After dinner, I usually dim the lights, light a scented candle, and write a few pages in my journal. It helps me process the day and decompress. I also do a bit of reading, currently diving into a book on behavioral economics.
Look at you, maximizing every minute. I usually lounge on the couch, binge a few episodes of whatever I'm watching, and then do a quick stretch before bed. I try not to doom scroll, but it's a losing battle.
Tell me about it. I set a digital sunset rule now. No screens after 10 p.m. I prep my clothes for the next day, plug in my devices, and wind down with some herbal tea. Lights out by 11, ideally.
You're setting the bar pretty high, Maya. I aspire to your level of discipline. My current routine is more survive the day than optimize it. But hey, baby steps, right?
Absolutely. Routines evolve. What matters is being intentional, even if it's just choosing to floss consistently or keep your inbox under 1,000 unread emails.
Flossing, now that's ambitious. Let's catch up again next week. Maybe compare productivity hacks?
Deal. Always good chatting, Alex.